Welcome to the video tutorials from Schmalenberger. In this video, you will be shown how to replace a mechanical seal of a centrifugal pump type SM5013. Safety notice. Before starting work on the pump, ensure that it is de-energized. The pump must be flushed, depressurized, and free of any media residues. Please wear your personal protective equipment. Before you start disassembling, make sure all the necessary tools are within reach. Find a clean and safe workspace. You need the tools and aids listed on the service kit sheet, as well as the contents of our service kit. Detach the housing from the unit. Remove the housing from the unit and unscrew the cap nut of the impeller. You can now pull the impeller off the shaft. If it's difficult to remove, use a puller or mounting levers. Next, remove the key with pliers or a side cutter. Then remove the discs and the sliding ring with the mounting levers. You can now remove the pressure cover. Remove the counter ring and the flat gasket. Now check all parts for dirt or residues and clean if necessary. Apply soapy water to the new counter ring and press it into the pressure cover. Now you can reattach the pressure cover. Make sure the vent is pointing upwards. Place the insertion sleeve onto the shaft, wet the counter ring with soapy water, and carefully press it over the insertion sleeve. Remove the insertion sleeve and place the disc on the mechanical seal, pressing everything together until it stops. Mount the impeller without the key, because it will be dismantled later again. Tighten the cap nut just slightly. Lightly grease the sealing surface with grease and place the flat gasket on it. Also lightly grease the top of it. Measure with the depth gauge at 3 points from the top edge of the wing to the flat seal, and on the housing from the recessed sealing surface to the machined mating surface. Subtract the largest measurement at the impeller from the smallest measurement at the housing. From this result, subtract the required gap dimension. You need to insert this value under the impeller. Remove the impeller and cap nut and insert the determined number of shims. Now, mount the feather key using water pump pliers into the groove. Align the keyway of the impeller with the feather key and gently tap it onto the shaft. Use the assembly aid to tap the impeller onto the shaft until it stops. Place the washer on the impeller and apply thread locker to the cap nut. Tighten it to the specified torque. Finally, check the set gap size again. Place the housing on and tighten the nuts. Check the pump for free movement after assembly.